Hey guys, hi and hello, welcome back to my channel Divide and Conquer with Radha. Glad to have you all back again. Today's topic of discussion is based on a public demand, and what is that going to be? We are going to learn how to find the square root of a 5-digit perfect square number. What is a perfect square number? Perfect squares are numbers that are obtained by squaring a whole number. For example, 5 is a whole number. By squaring 5, we get 25. So 25 is a perfect square. Similarly, 9 is a whole number. By squaring 9, we get 81. So 81 is a perfect square. Let's find the square root of 15,376. The very first step is grouping. We need to group the numbers of the dividend in pairs. Here 15,376 is the dividend and we need to group these numbers in pairs, and grouping starts from the right end, that is from the units digit. So we need to start from the number 6. So 76 is one pair, 53 is another pair, and we have only one number left out. It doesn't form a pair, but still we need to group it separately. Moving on to step 2. We need to find the largest square number that is less than or equal to the first part. Here the first part is number 1. So we don't have any issues. The largest square number which is less than or equal to the first part will be 1 itself. So 1 times 1 gives you 1, and later we need to subtract the number. So on subtracting we get 0. Here 1 is your divisor, this 1 is your quotient, and the numbers out here is your dividend. Now moving on to step 3. In step 3, we need to bring down the next pair of the dividend. So the next pair of the dividend is 53 and we need to place it to the right of the remainder. So the remainder is 0, so we are going to place it right next to it. So this becomes our new dividend for the next step, and now we need to find the new divisor. Now we have to find a new divisor for this dividend 53. To find the new divisor, we need to first multiply the quotient with 2. So 1 times 2 is 2, and this 2 becomes the starting digit of the new divisor. And if you notice, there is a blank space right next to 2. Here we need to find the units digit of this new divisor, and that is done by trial and error method. The next step is to find a suitable digit for the units place, and the digit is found in such a way that when you multiply the new divisor with the new digit, the product that we get should be either less than or equal to the dividend. So we need to find a digit in such a way that we get a product less than or equal to 53. So let's try out. What happens if we try with the first number, that is 21 times 1. Let's try with 1. We get 21, which is lesser than 53. So let's try the next option, 22 into 2. We get 44. It's lesser than 53. So let's try 23. 23 into 3, we get 69. 69 is greater than 53, and 53 is not a perfect square, so we need to choose a number which is lesser than 53. We cannot find a number equal to 53, so we need to go for 44. 22 times 2 gives you 44. Now subtract 44 from 53, we get 9. Now, if you notice, we have an other pair remaining. So we need to follow steps 3, 4 and 5 till all the pairs have been taken up. So let's bring down the next pair, 76. 976 becomes the new dividend, and we need to find the new divisor. To find the new divisor, we need to multiply the quotient with 2. The quotient that we have right now is 12. So 12 times 2 is equal to 24. If you notice, the units place is left blank. We need to find a suitable number in such a way that when you multiply the new divisor with the new digit, we get a product which is either less than or equal to the dividend, and that is done by trial and error method. If you notice, we have 6 in the units place. So what are the numbers that has 6 in the units place when you square them? 4 squared. 4 squared we get 16 and 6 squared we get 36. So these are the only two digits that has 6 in its units place. So let's try 244 times 4. We get 4 4s are 16, 4 16 plus 1 17, carry over 1, 4 2s are 8, 976. Therefore, 244 times 4 gives you 976. Subtract and we get 0. Therefore, the square root of 15,376 is equal to 124. You can try doing a 6-digit number or a 4-digit number. The procedure is going to be the same. You need to follow the grouping and the rest goes as per the normal procedure. I hope this video helped you to learn something new. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. In case you have any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. We'll certainly try and respond. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. Take care and bye-bye.